Dr. Jaffe, is garlic acid or alkalinizing to the body?
Well, garlic, most importantly, is detoxifying to the body. It's part of the quintet of GGOBE, garlic, ginger, onions, preferably shallots and red onions, broccoli sprouts. Any sprouts are good, but broccoli sprouts have special benefits, and eggs, but I recommend goose and duck eggs or quail eggs, not commercial chicken eggs, not even organic or free-range chicken eggs. For lots of technical reasons, if it's too commercial, it's contaminated and contaminated with hormone disruptors and forever molecules and other things that the poor chicken ate because of what it was fed, even the organic. So, garlic. I recommend a bulb of garlic roasted per person at the table. Not just a piece of garlic, an entire bulb. You cut off the top, you roast it, and it comes out like custard. Now, when it comes right out of the oven, it'll be warm or hot. So let it sit, let it rest for a minute or two, let it cool, and then express the garlic, and you'd be surprised how delicious, how custard-like it is. So garlic, yes. Garlic does tend to concentrate minerals, and so garlic is alkaline most of the time. The only exception is the garlic that has been grown hydroponically and on minimal quality soil, because if the minerals aren't there in the soil, the minerals can't get into the garlic and the food. So use nature's alkaline way and nature's pharmacy, follow nature, nurture, and wholeness and physiology before pharmacology, and know that garlic does good, especially as a detoxifier, and that it is, when healthy, alkaline forming.